Hello! We went to a winery of Wollersheim in Wisconsin to join the winery tour. We also had a lunch with a very nice view on the hill by the Founder's Cave. Let me show you what their winery tour and vineyard are like. Hello, today we are at the winery of Wollersheim in Wisconsin. We always wanted to come here because we are kind of a neighbor from Illinois. Today we are going to take their winery tour and have some lunch on the hill within their territory. So let's see how big and great they are. Let's go! Wollersheim Winery is on the original site of the vineyard by Agoston Haraszti, an Hungarian immigrant who made the first vineyard in Wisconsin in 1846. Thank you.
Well, we're missing two people. And they said everybody is here now. They all checked in, so we'll get started and we'll see if they show up. They can join in. So anyway, okay. My name is Kathy and I'd like to welcome you to the Wollersheim Winery and to the tour. And the first thing I'm going to have you do is take your glass by the stem. The reason we tell you to take it by the stem, if you hold your glass like this by the bowl and you hold it too long, you're going to warm your glass and warm your wine, and this can give some wines a bitter or an off taste. So that's why we say take it by the stem. Most of the wines are meant to be served chilled, okay? Next thing we want you to do is to look at your wine. All of your wine should be nice and clear. Cloudiness could indicate there may have been a problem during production, but most likely the problem came with the storage of the wine after it was purchased, that it was stored too warm or too cold. Then the next thing we'd like you to do is swirl the wine in the glass. By swirling it, you're going to bring the air down into the glass. This is going to release the aroma and the bouquet of the wine. Now the aroma of the wine comes from the grape and where the grape was grown. The soil, the sun, the rain, the bouquet comes from the aging, be it in the barrel or in the stainless steel tank. So give it a good swirl. Stick your nose into the glass. Take a whiff of the Prairie Fumé and then take your first taste. Now this is the Prairie Fumé. It's made from Seyval Blanc juice that we receive from New York State. I'll tell you a little more about getting grapes and juices from other areas as we go along. Up to the top of the hill, but because we're in the watershed area, you have to. What they do is they take these stems, and this is determined already, like I said, how much they're going to prune and stuff already, like in January, in the very first part of February. They take these stems and they tape them to the guide wires that are running in underneath. You can maybe see some now because we're losing the leaves and stuff, but they tape it to the guide wires and it'll have either a red or orange tape. If this is taped to the guide, there's the
Thank you. Thank you. Oh, thank you.
okay, now this one has what we call a quick crush.
Thank you.
Okay? So it has a light color to it. It doesn't have a lot of skin contact. I'm okay. Okay?
Why can you only ship to certain states?
It's a whole government tax. County by county.
Okay.
Colorado, if you look at the tanks, and those are really not nice clusters, but they do kind of give you more of an idea that the grapes are a little bit smaller. But it does add some bulk to keep those grapes moving into. The grapes are aging the wine in the white oak barrels can enhance or add to the finish of the wine. Then the other thing is, taste the wine. And I mean, really taste it. Because this is made from Marichal Foch grapes. 80% Marichal Foch grapes, 20% Marquette grapes. Basically the same wine that you tasted upstairs. And this is what I want you to know. Well, one grape, okay? Smell it, get that oaky essence off of it, and then do the taste. Okay? This one. And basically it's the same grape. So one grape, one variety of grape, depending upon the brandy. So that's why they need to have that extra strength, because that is, like we said, that's a fortified wine. So it's a nice sweet wine because it has a short fermentation time. They stop it when it's at 5% alcohol, which keeps it sweet, and then they add the brandy. It's a sipping wine. It's 20% alcohol, so you're probably. With the forward width was to carry the weight of the horse and carriage. And also, if you look at the support posts and the cross beams, 2 cross beams are each 64 feet long. Those posts.
Let's go get something. Wait. The founder of this winery dug this cave to change this to a winery storage. Wow. And that was back in 1847. Of wine we had during the winery tour. This is the very first one we had in the beginning of the winery tour. Let's do this. Sorry, thank you. Hello. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you.
We enjoy this Wollersheim Winery a lot and recommend you to stop by this place. Just be careful not to taste wine too much when you drive back home. Have a good day.